check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm Kudret. Today we have a new pod device from the Lostvape company. Here is Ursamini pod kit. You remember a couple of months ago it was on the market, Ursa pods, and now became like an Ursamini. I have this pod like a 15 days. I've been trying for you. This is the package, how it is come, how it is look like. And inside of the package we will get a Type-C charging cable, 2 ampere fast charging up there, and then there's a user manual is coming inside. You can look at them, and then there's a 2 different type of coils we get it. One of them 1 ohms for the actually for the like a MTL vaping, and the other one is a 0.40 ohm. It's like a kind of like a restrictive MTL or DL, kind of like that, not MTL, DL little bit. And then other one is we got our device. It's a really nice device here on the front and the back side. On the side you can see it here, kind of zinc alloy here, but on the middle I cannot tell you what it is. Kind of like it is feel so good, I don't know how to explain it. On the side you see Lostvape, and the other side only you see here Ursamini, and under it you can see the Type-C charging here, designed by Lostvape. As you see, there is a for battery, there is a 1200 milliampere batteries inside that one. Our pod up here, 3 ml liquid capacity, and the filling ports up here on this side. You can easily fill like a 3 ml. It's small but it's not that big, but actually this is the for MTL anyway. I'm keep telling that to you anyway. Here is our drip tip, is not removable. I wish you can use your own 510 drip tip here. And here is under it magnet and everything. On the side we have a really nice airflow control here. I think one of the best airflow control. Up here there is a 4 hole, one of them big, other 3 of them small. If you want to use kind of MTL, you can put it down and down. As you see it also on the coil. This is the actually for MTL. There is a 1 hole in there on the both side. There is your air coming in, and the other one is a bit bigger hole in, as you see it here, and then you can see it as well which one is for MTL coil. If you open the device, is 5 click on, 5 click off. Here see you again, and then 5 clicks again is on. As you see, so simple menu up there. Power button and up button in same time. We lock the device, just the power is working still. Up and down button is locked now. If we press it again, is unlock. Up down button and the fire button in same time. That is clear the power puff counter here. And up here, if we pressed it, is nothing happening. Is a 30 watt device. Like I said, this is kind of for MTL device. 1200 milliampere battery is for, they made it for that. Ready random. Here 5 watts to 30 watts. It's so easy going device, so small, is not that big at all. Here I can put something next to the from the whoop rack. Is almost the same height as that one, but lots smaller, just for mods. As you see, all you know from the era Pico mods. It's a small device for MTL users and everything. For my hand is a little bit big, but the device is really small for my hand. Actually this is look like a device. If you want, we will vape and then we will talk about it more. Yes, that was the Ursamini from the Lostvape. This is look like, it is really small. On my hand, just 2 finger as big. It's a really nice one. I have a 0.40 ohm coil inside, 20 watt I am using. Airflow is full open. Let's vape. I have a 6 milligram inside of that device. I'm gonna put a little bit down. I'm just gonna cut that big hole, and then there is a 3 holes open now, airflow. It's better now. Yeah, first of all, I wanted to say, you know the Lostvape, they always make good quality devices. This is, you can see as well, with the zinc alloy and everything on the hand, feeling is perfect. I don't have any problem with it. It's really nice. Like I think last 15 days or something I've been using it. There is no scratch or anything. I put in my pocket with the keys and everything. I don't have any problem about it. Thanks from here to Lostvape. That quality always they keep going on. First of all that, and the second one, I'm using 0.40 ohm coils inside that, and then there is another one coming inside 1 ohm coils for actually for the MTL users 1 ohm. And what is between it, flavor is similar, nice, really. I don't have any problem, really nice flavor I'm getting from it. But 0.40 ohm, actually, you know, that is well a little bit warmer vaping than the 1 ohm. But 1 ohm is like a really good for MTL users, especially with this airflow. I think this airflow is almost not the best, but it's really close to there. Is the almost the best airflow I've been using, like for MTL users. I get a couple of questions about the salt nick also. You can use with this device really nice. There is no problem at all about it. It's 2 amp charging here, fast charging. There is no problem with it as well. Like what we can tell about it for more, is really nice device for MTL users, and everything is, yeah, it's okay, a little bit small, 1200 milliampere, but this is made for the mostly is for MTL users, lower wattage and everything. You can see it also maximum 30 watt. 0.40 ohm, you can use between 20 and 30. It's not gonna take all day long with your battery life, but for MTL users with the 1 ohm, and I think there is a 1.4 and a 0.8 ohm coil as well from the UV light coils. They are really good as well. You can use with them. It's a little bit better for your battery life. It's not kind of for DL users. It's mostly for MTL users, and it's really good flavor and a really good performance I'm getting from it. I can recommend you all of you. This device is really neat device. You're not gonna waste your money to buy this device at all. You can think about it. Thank you very much for watching. I think that's it for video today. Have a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe, and then you know where is the like button. Take care of yourself.